I was so mad by Mercer Mayer. I wanted to keep some frogs in the bathtub, but Mom wouldn't let me. I was so mad. I wanted to play with my little sister's dollhouse, but Dad wouldn't let me. I was so mad. I wanted to play hide and seek in the clean sheets, but Grandma said, "No, you can't." I was just so mad. I wanted to water the garden, but Grandpa said, "No, you can't." So I decided to decorate the house, but Grandpa said, "No, you can't do that either." Was I ever mad? Dad said, "Why don't you play in the sandbox?" I didn't want to do that. Mom said, "Why don't you play on the slide?" I didn't want to do that either. I was too mad. I wanted to practice my juggling show instead, but Mom said, "No, you can't." I wanted to tickle the goldfish, but Mom said, "Leave the goldfish alone." "You won't let me do anything I want to do." I said, "I guess I'll run away." That's how mad I was. So I packed my wagon with my favorite toys, and I packed a bag of cookies to eat on the way. Then I walked out the front door. But my friends were going to the park to play ball. "Can you come too?" they asked. "Can I go?" And Mom said I could. "I'll run away tomorrow if I am still so mad."